Welcome students. In this video we're going to learn how to find the tangent line to curves. Specifically we're going to learn to find the tangent line to y equals x squared using the quotient, the difference quotient. So the concept of the derivative, which geometrically represents the slope of the tangent line at a point on the curve. So that derivative represents geometrically the slope of the tangent line at a point on the curve. And now the difference quotient. Okay, so the difference quotient states that delta y over delta x is equal to f over x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Okay, so our function is y equals x squared, and remember our delta y over delta x is equal to delta x and then f x plus delta x minus f of x. And now we're going to substitute f of x equal to x squared. Okay, so that means that delta y over delta x is equal to, so f of x plus delta x, that would be x squared, so that would be x plus delta x squared minus x squared over delta x. Now we expand that, and we're gonna get x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus x squared over delta x. Then this term here and this term here, they cancel. Then we're left with 2x delta x plus delta x square over delta x, and that's equal to, and then delta x cancels here. We're left with 2x plus delta x, and now as we can say, as delta x approaches 0, that means as the secant line approaches, as the secant lines as the points of the secant line approaches each other, come closer, infinitely closer, that means delta x approaches 0. That means these terms approaches 0. That means that the slope, that means the slope of the tangent line is 2x. Now let me give you one example. So let's say you have the point 1, 1 on y equals x squared. That means that the slope m is equal to 2 times and then 1, that's 2, and then using the point slope form, so hold on one second. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1 then y minus, that will be using the point, that will be minus 1 is equal, and then plugging in the slope, that will be 2, and then x minus 1 okay. Now simplifying that, that will be y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to y equal to 2x minus 1, and that will be the equation of the tangent line. Y equals 2x minus 1. That will solve the problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.